I'm running again for the position because I was asked by the Liberal Party to join their ticket for May 2013. And eventually I was asked by the President to accept it. So looking at the past 2.5 years of President Aquino III, I could see that he's in the right direction to try to reform a lot of events or offices that have to be improved. So yung tinatawag na tuwid na landas, mukhang nagkakaroon siya ng traction, nagkakaroon siya ng successes. Hindi naman pwedeng siya lamang, kailan matulungan rin siya ng mga dating kasama doon sa mga reform things that we did when I was in the Senate.